Hello, in this tutorial we will see how to have the zoom in and zoom out animation effect by using Shotcut. So we will first select our video clip, then go to the filters. From the filters we will select the plus sign and search for size, position and rotate. We will select that one. From here we will see different features and the zoom function and this stopwatch sign, which is the keyframe, and we'll run the video. Let's say after 2.43 seconds we want to have the zoom in effect. Currently we have 100% and we want to have it to 200%. In order to do that we have to create the keyframes by clicking the stopwatch, which will create our first keyframe. We can also shift to timeline and keyframes from these options, and our keyframe is here. We'll run the video, and here at this point of the video timeline we want to zoom in into 200%, and in order to do that we have to create another keyframe. So our animation zoom in effect will start from this keyframe and it will stop here. So it will start from 100% and it will stop at 200%. So we can use the mouse here, or we can also type the 200%, and we'll also set the setting to next to smooth by clicking right from the mouse. And if we select the keyframes, you can see when we select the first keyframe it is showing us 100%, and when we select the final one it is showing us 200%. And if we drag the cursor we can see that it is still 200%, but in the initial cases it is 100%. Let's play the video from the start. We can see the zoom in animation effect now. Now let's say after running the video for a while in 200%, then we want to go back to our initial 100% zoom state by having a zoom out animation effect. So in order to do that we will create another keyframe from here, and let's say in this timeline here we want to have the zoom out effect. So this first one is now 200%, and within this 2 keyframes time it will have the zoom out effect. So we want to go back to our initial state, that is 100%. We'll type it 100%, and we'll also make it to next to smooth by clicking right from the mouse. And if we run the video now, let's see that we have the zoom out effect. Now let us run the whole video from the start to see how it goes from the player. Now we can run it. We can see we have the zoom in effect here, and we also have the zoom out effect here. So we'll go to our timeline. We'll select the video clip and then go to the keyframe. Another trick is that we can also change the zoom in zoom out effect time. If we want to lengthen the zoom out effect, we can just drag the keyframes. We can also narrow the time as well for having the zoom out effect. We can also drag the zoom in effect as well. Another important thing is that if you accidentally create a keyframe, let's say I have accidentally created a keyframe here and I don't want it, you can just select it from here and click it this bin to delete it also. So you can create easily the keyframes and delete it also, and drag them uh, far away and closer to lengthen and narrow the zoom in and zoom out effects. Now let us consider another important scenario. Let's say we are zooming into a video clip, and we are zooming into a moving object, and we want to keep our focus on that moving object while we are in the zooming state so that it doesn't go away from the frame. So in this video clip we will see how we can keep focusing on the man's face while the video in the zooming state and the video is in motion. So in order to do it, we will create a keyframe here, let's say, and the keyframe is in 100% zoom, and let's say we will have a zoom in effect here to 350%, let's say, and you can see that we cannot see the man's face in this scenario. This is 100 and this is 350, but we want to see the man's face. So what we will do, we will run the video and then we will select this scale and toggle the video and focus on the man's face manually. So we'll run the video and select this option as well, and we'll toggle the video to the man's side when it is focusing onto him. So you can see that in between these keyframes there are a lot of keyframes here as well. That these keyframes are used to toggle the video to the man's face so that it doesn't move away from the main video screen. If now we play the whole video, we can see the whole zoom in, zoom out animation effect and the focusing effect in the zooming state as well. Now let us play the video from the player. We can see the zooming state. Here is the zoom out state, and we are zooming into the 350%, and you can see we are toggling to the man's face so that he doesn't go away from the screen. So this is how you do the zoom in, zoom out effect, and also focus on a moving object when the video is in motion. Thank you for watching. If it helps, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.